Now here's something else you could do. You could shut your water off, and if you weren't quite sure what kind of cartridge that was, because there's hundreds of cartridges, different things that you can get at the store, and the last thing you want to do is order the wrong one and have it come in a special order and it's not right and all that. You could unscrew this and you could pull this out and you could take this to the store with you, okay, because you've already got the water shut off, right? Then chances are, okay, maybe they have to order it. Now you come back and you put this back together, put the shower handle all back, turn the water on, and you can still take showers for another couple weeks before your materials come in, okay? There's something. Okay, so now theory has it, I can take this out now, and I'm gonna have to be real careful. Remember what I'm doing. If after each step you think, oh yeah, I know how to put it back together, how hard could it be, blah blah blah. There's a little bit of water's dripping out of here. I think it's just the water that was in the shower head. You know, there's a pipe that goes up there. So when I take that off, the water that's from here up had to come out of that. Okay. So back to what I was saying. If you want to take a picture each time, you can. That way you can refer back to it. Okay. Now remember this knob. There's a little notch right there. That notch obviously faces down, so that should be like fairly straightforward. I guess I'm just going to undo these screws. Okay, pull that out. Okay, there's my first part of it, and I'm just going to keep that all together for now. You see here, there's some rubber gaskets here, and this shower head is probably 10 years old or close. And all it takes is one of the rubber gaskets to get bad. See here, there's that backing piece. See that rubber? It could have been leaking around one of those. There's these two and this one here. And I look at the part. I look at the part that I have. And let's get this back. And it looks like it's the same. Oh, wow. See that? That came off because that's part of this. That's part of that right there. Okay. That goes right like that. Okay. So it looks like I got the right part, and I'm going to look at this before I pull this out. That this big hole's facing up. And it looks like it's just going to slide in there. Okay. Now to get that out, I'd have to get some needle nose or something. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.